Hello boys and girls, I just tried quite expensive food delivery called SAKARA or SAKARA, I'm not sure. So I want to share with you my experience with it. Yes, it was quite expensive, but you can save some money if you will subscribe for a longer period. So I just want to share with you advantages and disadvantages of this delivery, and you will decide yourself if you want to try it or not. Let's go! Hello boys and girls! Today I'm going to open this box, SAKARA. They forgive me that the food will be delicious and full of nutrients. I don't know what is inside. I remember that I ordered maybe 2 or 3 lunches, something like that, but let's see. They delivered this box tonight at 1:50 a.m. I was a bit shocked that someone delivered so late at night, but they did it for me, so I have all the order in the morning. Okay, I have a bag. You see, SAKARA Eat Clean, Eat Whole, such bag. And inside it there is a Metabolism super powder and super bar. And ultimate guide also inside, and some stick. What does it mean? I don't know yet. Day 1: sweet potato coconut dream parfait, orange blossom waffles with blueberry compote, mama herb bowl with detox dressing, wildcrafted salad, canelli cakes, coconut lime chickpeas, sunshine squash salad. With love, Whitney and Daniel. So I see that they really did it with love. Okay, I'll try to show you. That's orange blossom waffles with blueberry compote. I will show it later for you better, but for now it looks like this. Mama Earth bowl. It's something with a lot of vegetables, greens. Looks very nice. This is Friday lunch, Wildcrafted Salad. I think it made special for Friday because something looks like sweet here. Maybe not. Bioactive honey. Oh, I love honey when it's for bioactive. Usually I don't like it. This is Thursday dinner, sunshine squash salad. Salad looks very nice, very fresh. Okay, well, that is sweet potato coconut dream parfait. And it looks quite interesting, like high-end kitchen, almost molecular. There are of course ice packs here, and this is Harvest Quesadilia. You see, it's for Thursday dinner. So I ordered, as I see, for 2 days, 3 meals. Spice sunset stew, also something super green. You can see it inside. And coconut lime chickpeas. Let's try. For me it sounds strange, but maybe it's not so strange. What I like the most about all of this, that I can try something I never tried before. And they promote this Metabolism super powder. I want to try it. Maybe it's really a good idea. I made a DNA test. I will make another video about it, but I know that my metabolism rate is good and I shouldn't be overweight by my DNA. So I still want to improve it. Maybe I did something, not because of DNA, maybe I eat something but slow my metabolism. I will try it and I will share with you my opinion. First of all, I was shocked because I felt myself really full after I ate just salad. I thought that it was impossible before it, but I really ate all what they sent to me. Usually I eat really a lot of meat and fish. I'm not a vegetarian, but this time I tried this type of eating and I like it. Not in all the ways, because it gives me small amount of food I can eat, but it still was not so bad as I expected. So thank you, Sakara, for introducing me the world of vegetarian in such a good way. So the second one is that I tried a lot of vegetarian dishes which I never tried before, and I inspire myself to prepare it later and to have more ideas what to cook myself. Next one, I easily eat 6 cups of greens every day, and that was my goal, to eat more green food. I even use this green thing to show it to you. And my skin even begins to glow after I use this diet. I was impressed because I thought it doesn't work like this. I thought it was like an idea which can work in a year, but not, it works super quickly. Another wonderful thing is that I don't want to eat junk food after I eat SAKARA good dishes. And that was magic. That's what I expected from this food. I want to clean up myself, to clean up my parts from eating bad food to the good one. Now let's go to disadvantages. Even such expensive food isn't an ideal one, because first of all, it's the price. Yes, it's very expensive. Seldom people can afford it in regular basis, but I think it's very good for people who want to change their eat habits to a new, better one, to use it for a week, for example, for 2 weeks, just to learn your body to eat in a new, healthier way. I ate one of the food in 3rd day after I received it, and I found out that some other bioorganisms were inside. But I still take them away from the top and try to eat it. And it was a good dish because I wanted to try everything to share with you guys. It was good, but I think that because it's made from very natural and organic products, it can expire very quickly, it can be spoiled. So you should eat it very quickly, 1st or 2nd day you receive the box. And 3rd, I didn't want to be vegetarian all the time. So for me that was just not good match, because I'm not a vegetarian. For someone who eat only green, don't eat meat and fish, that will be a very good choice. So for me personally, I have 5 advantages and 3 disadvantages. It's good enough, and I give this delivery 7.5 stars from 10. The main idea, because it's smaller than 8, it's the price, of course. And if you like my video, please stay like, write me in the comment below what I need to try else, which delivery you consider to buy, and I will buy it and try it for you. I already tried 5 delivery companies of different foods. I will continue to share with you my experience with all the companies and compare them, so you can easily choose the one which will fit you the most. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!